Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Slack to Pipedrive CRM in just a few simple steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have both platforms connected so your team can communicate more efficiently, stay updated in real time, and create a smoother workflow between Slack and Pipedrive. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pipedrive website. You can simply type Pipedrive into your search bar or go directly to the official website. Once the homepage loads, click on the Login button located in the top right corner of the screen. Now, enter your login credentials to access your Pipedrive account. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to your Pipedrive dashboard. After logging in, make sure you're on the Pipedrive home screen. This is where you'll find your main dashboard, tools, and account options. Next, move to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu containing your account settings and workspace options. From the menu, look for Tools and Apps and click on it. This section is where Pipedrive manages integrations, connected services, and third-party applications. Once you're inside Tools and Apps, click on Apps. You'll now see a list of applications that can be integrated with your Pipedrive workspace. In the search area or app list, find Slack. You can usually recognize it quickly by the Slack logo. Now, click on Slack to begin the integration process. At this point, Pipedrive may ask you to authorize the connection between Slack and your CRM account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to grant the required permissions. These permissions allow Slack and Pipedrive to communicate properly so notifications, updates, and workflow information can sync between both platforms. Once the authorization is complete, the integration will be activated automatically. And that's it. You've successfully connected Slack to Pipedrive CRM. With this integration, your team can stay informed faster, receive updates directly in Slack, and improve collaboration without constantly switching between platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.